Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not letting you join friends. First, always confirm your internet connection is working perfectly, ensuring a strong signal. Next, visit the official Roblox status page. Sometimes, the issue lies with their servers, affecting thousands of players. Also, confirm your Roblox client is completely up to date, as older versions might experience connection problems. These simple steps can often resolve common joining issues quickly. Now, let's dive into your Roblox settings. Navigate to your privacy settings and confirm they allow friends to join your game. Make sure you haven't accidentally blocked the friend you are trying to join. Also, double-check that your friend's game is set to public or joinable and not on a private server. Sometimes, these small adjustments in settings make all the difference, allowing seamless connections. Your computer's security software can sometimes interfere with game connections. Try temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus to see if that resolves the issue. If it does, remember to add Roblox as an exception within your security software settings to prevent future blocks. Always restart your computer after making significant changes to ensure they are properly applied. This can often clear up stubborn connection errors. If previous steps haven't worked, consider a full reinstallation of the Roblox player. This often fixes corrupted files or outdated components causing issues. For those using a web browser, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve website-related problems. Finally, if you're still experiencing difficulties after all these steps, reach out to Roblox support directly, providing them with as much detail as possible. They can offer more personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.